Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and for this video I will be showing you guys how I got this yellow bright color here. So if you want to see, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification on to see more videos, okay? So I'm gonna start with 613 here. My friend gave me this to dye for her. I'm gonna start with this and then just keep on watching to see the results. Thank you guys so much. Okay guys, so this is how the hair came out. I did install it and style it and then give it a little curl because that's what she wanted. And yeah, I love this color. So thank you guys so much.